Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, my throat is dry. Okay, we're doing, today is December day 10th, and we're doing day 9. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So, we finished one of the signatures, yay! And I'll kind of do a quick flip through. This flips out, and there are photos on different things on that. And then day 2 was this beautiful card. Day 3 is when I was making pillows. And then day 4 was this beautiful card I used. Love friend Mel. And then this beautiful card by John H. Great. And like that, here is day 6. And day 7, we missed. Day 7. I think day 7 is my favorite so far. So pretty. That's a painting I painted and then scanned it in. Here is day 8 with these cute little cards in here. Day 9 was all shakered. Everything shakes. Okay, so day 10. So what I'm going to do is, since I talked about the only time you're going to see me use the Santa Baby is when it kind of matches the beginning of the insert. Everything else will be something else. So I pulled that paper out, and I don't want the two Santas up against each other, so at the top of this Santa Baby paper by Prima has this beautiful bird. I think that's the one we're going to cut, and how sad is it to have to cut apart all those cut-aparts, right? But, okay, so we're going to cut down at 4.5. 4.5 by 7 1/8, and I need to cut this top part first. Alright, if y'all can hear the TV, I'm sorry, it's like my husband is deaf when it comes to that TV. I'd be like, what is this so loud? But he'll turn it down, and you wouldn't know. I'm like, really? You turned it down? And he's like, I can't hear it because the fan's too loud. Turn the fan off. But that would make too much sense. Okay, so there is our other side. So it's going to be simple spread. I might use some chipboard pieces, some kind of parts. I don't know. But I want it to be fairly simple. So, and I'm kind of trying to bring in some of the blue from the book. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this beautiful blue, and we're going to ink up some stuff. Okay, let's talk about what I printed out. So it says, today I worked on getting house and things done. Monday is always a crazy day. Just watched a bunch of YouTube videos and catching up on comments. We had Jimmy John's dinner. And if you don't know what Jimmy John's, it's like Subway, but way better. And then here's a Monday. That says YouTube comments. That says day 10. And I printed out the altered book that I made because I'm officially done with sending out everyone, including my close friends, stuff today. Alright, so I am just inking up everything with this beautiful blue to kind of bring the blue in from the book, so it looks a little more cohesive in my mind anyway. Alright. And it kind of gives it dimension anytime you ink up anything. Alright, so. And I wanted to bring red too because I think red and pink are really cute together. Alright, so last but not least is this one. And I was wondering why it looks like that side is bigger, but it's fine. Alright, so I'm going to ink up this page with the blue. The paper really takes a toll on these ink and things. Alright, so now I'm going to kind of separate these and just kind of ink up here. Oh, Google's been acting really crazy for me today. Alright, ink up here. And then I'm going to kind of try my best to ink up just this side. Because I don't want to ink up where we already have our paper down. I am going to ink up the Santa baby right where that fabric is. Alright, we're good. And I think that's it. That's it for the blue ink. Alright, simple layout. So, I'm trying not to cover up the Santa. Let me move everything out of the way too much, right? So I'm pretending my paper's here, and we're just going to kind of see. Actually, I need to put it in here because I want to see where things are going to go. I'm wondering if we're going to have to do a flip out because it covers up day. Monday can go right on top. No, we'll be good. We will be good. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. So this is all going to go on this. I'm going to start gluing this in on this side. And here we go. So we're going to put YouTube comments over here. And then we're going to put this book over here. The TV is so loud. I'm sorry guys if y'all can hear that. It's like so loud. Alright, I'm back. I was like, turn it down, it's so loud. He was like, I did. I'm like, really? I can't tell. You know what I'm going to do? I am going to cut the sandwich out of this picture. Because we don't need it. We just need the symbol that says Jimmy John's. And I think that will be sufficient. Alright. There we go. I think we can stick that here. And then it's kind of going to be a simple. Because it's about day. Alright, so sentiment here. We're going to do Monday, day, oh you can't see, let me move this up a little bit, Monday, day 10, hey, I'm recording a video, baby. Shh, thank you. Alright, so then next comes this one, and then we will just glue it in, and then we're pretty much done. Simple spread, beautiful paper. I think the paper is so pretty that it made the spread so pretty and so easy, right? Gotta love Prima paper. I don't know someone that doesn't love it. I'm like obsessed, but it's so expensive. Alright, so then let's do, I love these little things, but I don't think we're gonna, I think we just might use the word Santa baby, and then maybe jolly. So we'll put jolly here. It kind of was a jolly day. Alright, so we'll put jolly here. And then, thank God that I cut this the way that I did to where it's so good and you can fit so much bulk in here. Alright, there. And then I think one more we'll do Mary. Be merry. Right. It says Be Merry. And it'll go right by the Jimmy John, so it looks like there's 2 circles. So that is our spread for Monday, December 10th. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stick around, subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're